ascending order, and that we have done with 2 digits today, isn't it? So all must have understood and completed the work by now. If not, it's okay, you can complete your work after your classes and share it there. Clear? Now, what are we going to do in EVS? As I told you, this is your EVS period. So you can read it here also. The subject that is mentioned here is EVS. So what are we going to do in EVS? Can anyone tell me? Either you can read the topic or you can correlate it with what we were doing it earlier. Yes, can anyone tell me that? Okay, fine. I'll tell you. Can anyone tell me what we have done in the previous class? What we did then? We have learned about different big and small plants, isn't it? So the big ones are called tree. जो बड़े होते हैं साइज में उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Tree कहते हैं. And the one that is small, we call them bushes, shrubs. Like this, we call them with different names. But be that a big or a small, all are really very helpful to us. We have also learned about different parts of the tree. So can anyone tell me what were the different parts of the tree that I taught you? Yes, I'll just write them all here. Can you tell me that? One was trunk, okay. Then trunk से नीचे what was helping them to stand? मैम ने बताया था ना, वो नीचे से मड में पकड़ लेते हैं वो. What was that? Roots. Very good. So roots. One is trunk, one is roots. What else? What were the different parts? अब हमने नीचे का देखा, फिर हमने tree का trunk देखा. Now coming to the upper part. What all things were there? Yes, we have leaves, lot of leaves. Then we have branches. Then we have fruits. Then we have flowers. Isn't it? So, a part of this, there are a lot of things that we have on tree. Anything else? No, we don't have. Okay, so these are the different parts that we have learned on that day. So now, can anyone tell me how these small or big plants, or you can say the trees, are helpful to us? Helpful मतलब how they are giving us lot of benefits. कैसे वो हमारे लिए मददगार साबित हो रहे हैं? How they are helping us? Like we have learned in animals that lot of animals are giving us different things. Cow milk दे रही है, bee honey दे रही है. We have sheep and the sheep is giving us wool. Then we have pig. Pig is giving us meat and ham. We have hen, again providing us with meat and egg. We have goat. Goat was also giving us milk and meat. So these are for animals. Animals कैसे helpful है वो हमें पता लगा. A lot of animals are helping in carrying loads like horse, donkey. We have learned. Now can anyone tell me how these plants, these trees, they are helpful to us? How, what sort of benefits we are getting from them? कैसे वो हमें help कर रहे हैं? Can anyone tell me that? Okay, fine. Can you tell what all these things I have here on board? Try to correlate. I have some vegetables like brinjal is there, tomato is there. You can say a chili or a ladyfinger, whatever it looks like. Then we have lot of fruits, mango, apple, cherries, plums, bananas, and the list keeps on going. Oranges, chikus. So from where we are getting all this? We are getting them from tree. Yes. So tree is giving us lot of things. Actually, if you will turn around, अगर आप एक बार पूरे रूम में ऐसे turn around करके देखोगे, you will find maximum things that are kept nearby you are coming from tree. कहीं ना कहीं we are getting that material from tree only. Let's start understanding it. As I told you, आपने पार्ट्स में भी देखा, फ्लावर्स हो गए, फ्रूट्स हो गए, डिफरेंट वेजिटेबल्स हो गए, ये तो हमें ट्री से मिल ही रहे हैं. So tree is giving us lot of vegetables and lot of fruits. Then we have different flowers coming from tree, isn't it? Okay. If I talk about what is this? It's a pencil, isn't it? What is this? It's a pencil. Can anyone tell me from where we are getting this pencil? Yeah, what is the thing used in making this pencil? It is made of wood. हम कहते हैं ना कच्ची है, टूट गई है. So from what material? जब आप उसे शार्प करते हो तो वो जो उसका स्क्रैप निकलता है वो आपने कभी देखा है किस चीज का होता है? All the pencils that you are using, be that your color pencil, be that your lead pencil, whatever pencils you are using, they are all made of wood. लकड़ी की बनी होती है. Now if we are talking of wood, we are having 8 types of furniture. We have sofa sets, we have chair tables, we have cupboards, wooden cupboards जो होती हैं. Then we have doors, windows. ये सब wood से बनती है. And from where we are getting this wood? We are again getting this wood from tree. ये जो trunk वाला part है. You have said ना कि trunk is a part of a tree. जो उसका तना होता है. Isn't it? That brown color वाला जो मोटा सा एक तना होता है, that is trunk. So trunk is a part of tree. तो जितना भी wooden material है, we are getting from this trunk. इस trunk को use किया जाता है उसके लिए. लकड़ी हमें यहाँ से मिलती है. जो wood होती है, we are getting from this trunk. And one very interesting fact I will tell you. So you all are having lot of books, notebooks and everything, isn't it? And they are having so many pages in it. अब ये पेजेस कहाँ से आते हैं? Actually, it is a really very good and interesting fact to understand. जो भी हमारी बुक, नोटबुक के पेजेस होते हैं, वो चाहे सॉफ्ट हैं, चाहे वो रफ हैं, या वो लस्ट्रस हैं, वो सारे पेजेस वुड की हेल्प से बनाए जाते हैं. Yes, wood is used in making paper also. आपका न्यूज़पेपर हो गया या कोई भी XYZ any paper, plain paper, ruled paper, written paper, papers in the book, in your notebook, all these papers, they are made of wood. Wood is used in making these papers. Again, we can say paper we are getting from tree. ठीक है? So this wood is coming from tree, isn't it? And we are making so many things out of tree. So one is tree we are getting. अब tree से क्या बन रही है? Pencils बन रही हैं. Now can you see I use this duster? तो duster का ये जो part है, the one which I hold, पकड़ने के लिए ये लकड़ी का है. Again wood. कहाँ से आ रहा है ये wood? Tree के trunk से आ रहा है. Pencil is made of wood coming from tree again, isn't it? Then we have lot of different type of furnitures, fruits हैं, vegetables हैं, और clothes. Yes, we wear so many different clothes. देखिए, सिर्फ wool जो है sheep से मिलती है. The one which is used in making these sweaters. Can you see? I am wearing a sweater. I am wearing it. So in making these sweaters, in knitting them, we need wool, which we are getting from sheep. But if we talk about कॉटन यानी जो कपड़े हम गर्मियों में पहनते हैं, कॉटन क्लोथ्स, दैट इज मेड ऑफ कॉटन. अब वो जो कॉटन होता है, वो कॉटन हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? अगेन फ्रॉम प्लांट. देयर इज अ कॉटन प्लांट जिससे वो कॉटन मिलता है, उसमें से उसका थ्रेड बनाते हैं एंड देन वी मेक डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स आउट ऑफ इट. सो जो कॉटन क्लोथ्स हैं हमारे, वो हमें कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं? वापस वी आर गेटिंग इट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, फ्रॉम ट्रीज इटसेल्फ अगेन. Clear? Up see, you like eating chips, are used in making them, and potatoes are given by plant. Isn't it? It is a part of a plant only. Like this, there are n number of things which we are getting from trees only, from these plants only. If we are talking about this juice, juice, I have drawn a juice glass. From where you are getting this juice? Obviously, we are using fruits. और fruits कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं? Again from the trees. We are getting fruits again from trees only. और उन fruits को ही use करके juice बनता है. Now, if I talk of another example, that is an ice cream, a bowl of ice cream. Can you tell me how we are getting this ice cream? Is it from tree? Yes, class. Is it from a tree? No, it is not. No. आइसक्रीम तो मिल्क से बनती है और मिल्क हमें कहाँ देती है, तो उसमें तो ट्री का कहीं रोल है ही नहीं. Isn't it? But yes, चॉकलेट. चॉकलेट किससे बनता है? कोको पाउडर से. एंड कोको पाउडर की जो बीन्स होती हैं, जो कोको बीन्स होती हैं, that is again coming from tree. कोको बीन्स are coming from tree. ठीक है. Then शुगर जो हम डेली कंज्यूम करते हैं in the form of be it any tea or coffee, mixing it in these things in your milk, that sugar is again made of sugarcane, and sugarcane is a plant. So whatever things you are consuming in a day, maximum of them are coming from tree or plant. Now if I talk of utensils we are using, like we are using plates, bowls and all, from where we are getting them? That are made by human being. वो natural नहीं होते. Different type of metals को use करके बनाया जाता है, but we are not getting that from tree at all. Clear everyone? Now, what we are going to do is, in your book there are some activities and some things given which we have to find whether we are getting them from tree or not. Okay, one more example, very important example. What help us to grow? हमें क्या help करता है grow करने में? Obviously fruits, vegetables, चपाती, pulses, spices जो खाने में डलती हैं. From where we are getting these chapatis? Wheat. Wheat से मिलती है. अब गेहूं कहाँ से आता है? That wheat, from where that wheat grain is coming? From a plant, or you can say again we have lot of जिसको आप कहते हैं farms, और you can say agricultural lands होती हैं जिन पे हम गेहूं उगाते हैं. Again it is a part of a plant only, from which we are getting that grain. उनको हम crush करते हैं, फिर हम flour बनाते हैं और उस flour को use करके हम chapatis बनाते हैं. Pulses, spices, they all are coming from trees only. ये जो pulses हैं, spices हैं, ये सब हमें trees से मिलते हैं. All are different trees. Coconut का tree होता है proper. The water which you take, coconut water पीते हैं, that is also coming from tree only. So actually 90% क्या maximum things we are getting from tree. Raw material form में मिलता है, उनको हम different चीजों में use करते हैं और we are using it directly. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's move towards the book work. So in book, see here mobile. Mobile हमें tree नहीं देता ना. Mobile is not given by the tree. Mobile तो plastic से बना हुआ है. So it is not a part of tree. Yes, juice, clothes, they all we are getting them from tree only. Clear? Okay, now open your book on page number. So page number is 62 and 63. So open your book and let's see what work and an interesting activity is given there and how we are going to do that. Okay, class? So class, now you have to open your EVS book on page number 62. So when you will open page number 62, you will find the topic helpful plants. So I told you how plants are helpful to us in so many ways, isn't it? So the first thing that we have to do is write today's date, that is 15 December 2020. Clear? And mention classwork here. Now, what we have to do? Take the things we get from plants to the trees. Now see, there are a lot of things given here. Like we have pulses. Can you see? These are different pulses and grains. Then we have a mobile phone. Then we have fruits and vegetables. We have flowers. I told you clothes, the cotton one. Then we have ice cream. We have a pressure cooker here, which Mama used for cooking food. Then we have wood. We have a corn cob. And we have furniture, like we have some chair and some drawer set, something like that. So what we have to do, we have to take the things that we get from trees or plants and match it till tree. Now can you see on this small part, what is this? It's a mushroom. So many of us, we eat mushrooms. Vegetable banati hai mama. So this mushroom is again a part coming out from a plant only. So as I told you, yes, anyone? Pulses coming from trees or not? I mean from plants or not? Yes, they are. So what we will do? We will match them like this. Next we have mobile phone. Are we getting mobile phone from plants? No, we don't. Then we have fruits and vegetables. Yes, they are. So we will take it to the tree again. Next we have flowers. Yes, flowers are also coming from the tree. We have clothes. Yes, these clothes coming from tree. Ice cream? No, as I told you, ice cream is made of milk and milk is given by cow. So we are not getting ice cream from these plants and trees. Pressure cooker. So it is again made of metal. So this is not a part of a plant. We have wood, logs. Yes, we are getting it from tree. We have corn cob. Corn cob भी हमें tree से मिल रहा है. Then we have furnitures. Furniture लकड़ी से बनता है, wood से बनता है, and we are getting it from tree again. So see, so many things we have that we are getting from a tree. Now what's the next? Next question says, take a leaf, dip it flat in paint from one side, then press it in the given space to do leaf painting. So it's a very interesting activity. So this activity is your today's homework. How you will do, I'll just tell you. What you have to do, you have to take a leaf. So as I have a leaf here, so you can take a leaf like this. And what you have to do, you have to dip it in the paint. आपको ना इसके एक साइड पे पेंट लगाना है. और जिस साइड पे आप पेंट लगाएंगे, पेंट लगा के you have to keep it and press like this. उसके बाद you have to pick it up and you will find a leaf mark here. यहाँ पे एक लीफ का वो पेंट वाले कलर का प्रिंट आ जाएगा. This is what you have to do. Clear? So this you will do at home as your today's homework. Now moving to the next page, we have on page number 63, what it is given? Seed to plant, that how a seed grow and becomes a plant. Number the picture in correct order. So first is we put water in it every day. My plant becomes big. I put seed in a pot. It is a small plant. तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? You remember? We did this activity on Earth Day. Earth Day पे मैम ने आपको ये activity कराई थी. So first we put seed in the pot. हम पहले pot में seeds डालते हैं. फिर क्या आता है? Baby plant. बिना पानी डाले. Then we put water in it every day. Yes. हम फिर उसमें water डालते हैं. और जब हम उसको regular water करते हैं तो क्या होता है? A small baby plant comes out and then that plant becomes big. फिर वो baby plant कैसे होता है? Grow करता है और big हो जाता है. Understood? So what you can do again today, you can plant a small tree of yours following these steps in a proper order and you have to take care of it. फिर देखना थोड़े टाइम के बाद अराउंड होपफुली बाय होली मार्च तक उसमें बहुत प्रिटी फ्लावर्स भी आ जाएंगे. क्लियर? सो यू कैन आस्क योर मदर टू प्रोवाइड यू सम सीड्स एंड यू कैन प्लांट देम फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो अंडरस्टूड? This is the work you have to do as today's class work and this activity will be your today's homework. So class, I hope you have understood how trees, plants are so much helpful for us. Not only these things, we get lot of medicines from these plants only. जितने कभी भी हम बीमार करते हैं और आपको कभी मेडिसिन खानी पड़ती है ना, those medicines that also we are getting from these tree. So extract निकाला जाता है, इनका oil, इनसे different things निकाले जाते हैं. They are mixed together and those medicines, those pills are made. So see, these plants, they are so helpful to us and we are so cruel that we are cutting them every day. वो हमारी इतनी हेल्प करते हैं, फिर भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम उनको डेली कट कर देते हैं. दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर एनवायरनमेंट, हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जो फ्रेश एयर हमें चाहिए होता है ब्रीथ इन करने के लिए, फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर गेटिंग दैट? अगेन फ्रॉम ट्रीज. बीमार हो गए तो भी दे आर हेल्पिंग अस. भूख लगी है, दे आर हेल्पिंग अस. इजंट इट? डिफरेंट ब्यूटीफुल क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं, दे आर हेल्पिंग अस. So all the things that we are surrounded is given by tree and we are so bad, we are so cruel, we are cutting them every day. Isn't it very bad? So class, now it's time for us to be a part to protect our society, to protect our environment, and how we can do? By planting more and more trees. और सिर्फ प्लांट नहीं करना है, एक बार प्लांट करा और छोड़ दिया. नो, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. आपको उनको टाइम पे वाटर देना है, सनलाइट देखनी है कि सन उनको मिल रहा है या नहीं. आर दे गेटिंग प्रॉपर मेन्योर? मेन्योर होती है खाद, तो उनको कभी खाद डालनी पड़ती है, उनका ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑल्सो. प्लांट तो लगाइए, मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज, प्लांट एज मेनी ट्रीज एज यू कैन. Keep your surroundings clean. आप जितना अपनी सराउंडिंग्स में गंदा कम करेंगे, कूड़ा कम फेंकेंगे, उसको क्लीन रखेंगे, ट्रीज उतना ही ज्यादा ग्रो करते हैं. So keep your surroundings clean. Keep a proper check of all these plants which you are planting and then save our environment. और it's not about कि हम अपने लिए ही तो कर रहे हैं. End of the day, जितने हम ट्रीज लगाएंगे उतनी ही ज्यादा चीजें हमें अवेलेबल होंगी. Isn't it? So, if they are helping us so much, it's our responsibility to take care of them and to plant more and more trees. Clear everyone? Bye for now. Get ready for the next class and take care.